this daily low is 98.94. On Friday we went in and we put a low at 99.65 and we pulled back a little bit and we closed at 1006. This is a very weak close and we're looking now for a continuation. If my close is 1006 and the previous daily low is 99.75, so my selling point is 25 pips away. So first thing I'm going to start, I'm going to put my short point. So my short point is 99.75, so I'm going to go short below 99.75. And let's go to the intraday, and my long point this here, I have here the 100. Wow, look at this, guys. This, if you want to see how weak a currency is, look at this. This here is a minor structure. It is a minor structure at 10053. And look what happened on Friday. We did come back and trade above that structure point, which was a major buy signal, only for that major buy signal to fail, and now we have a reversal. So we should be looking for a continuation to the downside. Okay, that's good, Mark. Right, so now we're looking for a continuation. We're going to sell it if it trades below 99.75, and right here I'm not going to buy it at a minimum unless it goes above the 10052. It did go above the 10052 last Friday and it failed. So whatever it moves here, I will not buy unless it gets above the 10052. So my buying point is going to be 10052. That is my buying point, and my stop on the long point, my stop is going to be below the 10052. So if it goes above 10052, I want it to stay above 10052. And on the short side, if I go short below the 99.75, I can use the 99.75 as my stop. When I say, if you guys are joining us for the first time, when I put the exact entry as a stop, I mean you need to give it maybe 10-15 pips over or around, depending on the volatility of the day, but you don't want it, basically you don't want it to go much higher than this, because it has to be a tight stop. My structure point to the upside is the 10050.52, which is my long point. So my long point is my structure point, and I have to find out my structural short. My structural short is actually this one, the 99.29. The structural short is my 99.29. That is my structural short. So now when it breaks from here, I have at least 75 pips before I begin to decide that if I'm going to look at the Aussie to take profits or what it is doing. I have to wait until it gets to the 99.29. Okay, that is my Australian dollar. So the Aussie dollar, I'm going to buy the long point above 10052, and if I do buy it, my structure, I have to take long point and my structure long point is 10052. and my structure short is 0.9929. Okay, so my long point is my structure long point, and it is also my stop. That means it's a very strong buy signal. If it gets above the 10052, I'm going to buy it. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 99.75, and if I do, my structure point below that is 99.29, and if I do take a short below that, I'm not going to give it too much room above the 99.75. Okay, that is the Aussie dollar. Let me save that, and if anybody has any questions,